Right, hey, what's up guys? It's Roy here, and today I'm going to be doing something that a few people have actually been asking me to do, and that is to do an unboxing video of the iPhone 12 on the black version. So I did an iPhone 12 unboxing of my wife's green iPhone 12 when it first came out, but for some reason I keep on getting a handful of people asking me to do an unboxing of the black one, which kind of doesn't make any sense considering it's all the same, but I said, you know what, why not? The people have spoken, so let's do it real quick. So the box itself is, as everyone knows, a very slim box, about half the size of the iPhone 11 box. You have the logo here of the front of the iPhone 12. You have iPhone branding there on the left side. On the right side, iPhone branding once again. At the bottom, you have the Apple logo. At the top, you have the Apple logo. And then here on the back, it just says iPhone 12 and USB-C to Lightning cable, power adapter and headphones sold separately. So that is the big kind of issue with the iPhone 12, is that it did not come with a power brick. But as far as the unboxing experience goes, here is the black iPhone 12. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and just kind of set that to the side real quick and show you what's inside the box. So first things first, you get this little packet here that says designed by Apple in California. So you just kind of slide out everything. So you got a SIM card ejector tool there, and then just some basic kind of like information, like a warranty or safety guide and all that stuff. You do get an Apple sticker there. And then, of course, you get the USB-C to Lightning cable. So one of the big issues that everyone has, in my opinion, is that it did not come with a power brick. So they give you the USB-C to Lightning 3-foot cable, but no power brick. And if they really wanted to save the whales and save the world, they should have thrown in a USB-C charger and made the iPhone 12 USB-C, not Lightning, because then a ton of people have those chargers and that would cut down on the carbon footprint. But unfortunately they did not. But in true Apple fashion, of course they added this in here, because if you want that fast charging, guess what, you got to go buy the power brick that is USB-C. So true fashion Apple, kind of frustrating, but it is what it is. So there's that. Now let's go ahead and take a peek at the phone itself. So it's a black iPhone, has a matte black camera bump there. So you got 12 megapixel wide angle and a 12 megapixel ultra wide angle lens. So you are lacking the telephoto lens like the Pro has, but in my opinion, you don't really miss it that much. I've been using this phone as a daily driver since day one and no issues at all. So obviously with the iPhone 12, it did come with this complete flat profile now, different than the iPhone 11. So there's no curved edges. It's just very boxy, flat sides. With the iPhone 12, you have this glass back with a nice kind of a matte aluminum border here. So you got your antennas there, the 5G antenna there. You got your power button on this side. You got your volume up and down buttons on this side. You got your alert slider there. So all in all, I love this phone with no case on it, but I am scared to death to use this phone naked, because if you drop it, you're screwed. Because this phone came in around $829 from T-Mobile. Now I am on Jump on Demand, so I didn't pay any money down. Well, I did pay, I think, like $50 down, I think, something like that. Because I did just go with the 64 gig model, since I know I'm personally not going to be keeping it forever. When the iPhone 13 comes out, I'll be getting that. My wife, on the other hand, she did go with the 128 gig model because she does keep her phones forever. So she'll definitely be using that one for a long time. So for all in all, guys, the iPhone 12 is a really good phone. In my opinion, it's the better iPhone to buy because of the budget friendliness. But, you know, obviously if you bump up to the 12 Pro Max, you're going to be getting just a monster of a phone with a better camera system and, better IBIS and all this other stuff. But for the daily person, this phone does very well. The battery life is really good. Um, as far as the screen goes, you have a very nice, beautiful OLED screen now. So it's not an LCD screen like the iPhone 11. So you got a nice HD, display here, very bright. Doesn't get as bright as the 12 Pro and the 12 Pro Max, but I have not had any issues at all in direct sunlight with this phone. The battery life, I'm getting about 6 hours of screen on time, and I still have plenty of juice left at the end of the night. I'm that person that typically does charge the phone every night. But if you use the MagSafe charger, one thing that's really cool about the MagSafe charger is whenever you do put it on the phone and you are charging it overnight, it does kind of have like more of an intelligent charging system, because it'll charge it to about maybe 60 or 70% and then stop and continue to charge the phone in like 2 or 3 hours. So when I wake up, it is topped off to 100%, but it does intelligently kind of slow it down, because I think for one reason the MagSafe charger does get really hot on the back of the phone. I have noticed that when I do have a case on the phone, it just gets really hot to the touch. Now, as you can see here, the MagSafe charger does hold very strong when you don't have a case on it. But one thing that you will notice over time, if you use the phone without a case and have that MagSafe charger, you will start to see the ring, but typically you are able just to wipe it off. But either way, I did want to point that out, because that is some complaints that I have seen from people. But the phone itself, guys, is a really good phone, and take that from a guy who is an Android lover. Like, I'm a big Android guy, Galaxy devices, Pixel devices, OnePlus devices, but I did want to go ahead and give the iPhone a fair shake, and so far the 12 has delivered, as far as iOS 14 and being able to customize it. So as you can see here, being able to add the tiles now, and just being able to have just a little bit more customization than you used to be able to do on iPhones. That is one reason why I wanted to give iPhone a try. So yeah, there we go, guys. There is the complete unboxing experience of the black iPhone 12. Now, do comment down below and let me know what color you did get. And let me know, how do you feel about Apple not including that power brick? I personally really think it was a dumb idea, but yeah, anyways, there you go, guys. iPhone 12, hit that like button, comment, let me know what color, which 12 variant you have, hit that subscription button, and we'll see you on the next one.